look, if I can understand someone in a sudden accident that you don't know. Accidents are unforeseen. So you might get shot. We're just talking about terrorism and banditry. You might get robbed. You might be in a car accident. We've had several cases where an unfortunate accident has happened and you get to a hospital and they deny you treatments. However, as a single man, which everybody has been telling me to get married and get ready, you prepare in advance, right? So if someone gets pregnant and is getting ready to give birth, I guess it would behoove the father of that child to save towards that, to where you don't have a situation where when she's about to get ready to give birth, you don't have the 500,000 naira. I'm sorry, I don't want to sound insensitive here.
No, this is very good.
No, but
you are already preparing.
So if there was, again, just to make the point, if it was a sudden accident, you got struck by lightning or something, okay, I don't have the money for that. But a pregnancy, you can see that coming and... So again, they're investigating. The hospital has come back and said they didn't charge the fee, but still, you got to prepare for these things, right?
Yes, I understand where you're coming from. However, pregnancy is a very unpredictable journey.
Yes.
I don't know their circumstances, but what I know for a fact is that a pregnancy can be determined to be low risk. It can be said to be a smooth pregnancy and you'll go and push and there'll be no complications. But it's highly unpredictable. And if you as the husband are working off the information that this is a normal low-risk pregnancy and everything will work out, you may have enough for the normal delivery and not enough for
the home care delivery.
Yes, a home care, yes.
And home care delivery could also be...
You are missing the point. The point that Rotus is making is that the whole substance of this conversation is, according to Mr. Folajimi, that when he got to that Asalam Convalescent Center, as it is called, that he was asked to deposit 500,000. And the man was saying, please admit my wife. I will go and look for the money.
Yes.
And his own point is that, look, when you impregnate a woman, you can't come at 9 months and you are saying, just treat her. Let me go and look for the money. There are many people who do that. They put you under pressure. Brother me, your wife has just given birth. They will be calling you from the village. Pregnancy that you knew nothing about. It's only when they get to maternity center that they will be moving around. Mr. Folajimi behaved in an irresponsible manner.
But how do we know?
I'm striking the logic.
Thomas, but how do we know? It's like an emergency situation.
His own words. Number 2.
Yeah.
Dr. Salame,
who
is the owner of that Asalam Convalescent Center, says that woman, God bless her soul, God rest her soul, that she had no record of having ever visited the hospital. She had not, they could not find evidence of she having done any antenatal care. And that what they could establish was that she had been going to TBAs. You impregnate a woman, you will be taking her to quacks, to traditional birth attendants, instead of letting her go through. In fact, the hospital is saying that she had lost blood. So they even went to the hospital late.
All right, that's their side of the story.
No. There are 2 sides to every story.
That's their side.
And now the hospital said they didn't have the facilities or, the capability to deal with that situation.
Yes.
That was why they referred them to the general hospital. So there are 2 sides to the story. I know it's emotional to say one Mr. Folajimi said they asked me to bring 500,000. After all, the first time we discussed this story, I talked about the Hippocratic Oath.
Yes.
What the 2 sides of the story have now shown us, are basically the objective conditions. But it's important that the Commissioner for Health for Lagos State has now set up a panel to look into this matter, to establish whether there was negligence. And there will be lessons that people should learn. If you are a woman, you are pregnant, go for antenatal care. If you are a man, you impregnate a woman, prepare for delivery day.
All right.
Don't say when you get to the hospital, they should allow you to go and borrow money and come back.
All right.
That's irresponsibility of the highest order.
All right. At the end of the day, a woman has lost her life and the man has lost his unborn child. And there was no emergency care to take care of such a, just such a simple,
and emergencies do happen in pregnancy as well.
care. May her soul rest in peace.
Hello guys, hi people, welcome back again to our Facebook page and our YouTube channel guys. If today na your first time you dey come across more Flourish TV show, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. As you do so, God Almighty go bless you. My people, wetin we dey talk about, una don watch that very video, right? That one na the video of this young lady wey, this woman wey buy with belle, I think last week, yeah. So now the update be that. Then, as you all lis ten, even the hospital, according to the news, they say the hospital said don say no be say they charge the man like that, but they look the man no register with them, one. And secondly, as you no get money, you no suppose go private hospital. Na they come refer dem go general hospital for the woman to go born for there. Like me, I go I take one part wey I go like talk about, which is the part of where they say pregnancy wey somebody get belle, at least na pregnancy na 9 months. Especially me, I dey talk about people wey dey back home Nigeria for house that side, right? As somebody get belle, normally e no be today e dey born, e no be next tomorrow e dey born, e dey take good 9 months. Okay, you now tell me now say I understand the fact that the country is hard. You no go tell me say for that 9 months you no save any money. You see why I wan talk for this very, I know say she don kpai you, which is very bad and sad at the same time. Okay, but the thing is, I go wan like talk something. Some of our Nigeria people, dey always do this thing. Yes, why I say so? Some of them, they go dey a situation whereby maybe their wife get belle, they no get money but they dey give woman belle. Okay, and they go don give the woman belle finish good that 9 months wey the woman go before e born. You as a man, you know also wetin you dey do. You no fit gather anything. Why they go come born finish, they go come call either they call the brother wey dey abroad, call the sister wey are dey abroad. This very one, I sure say the man no get anybody for abroad. Or maybe e get, or they no answer am. You see, una no go fit call. I'm not saying na the case be that, but I'm just saying, talking my own. You no go because of people when e dey abroad dey born. Because no be we go take care of the pikin for you. They do this thing well, and e get why I dey talk this very matter, because me, I dey use myself as an example right now for this very video. You could imagine somebody, your brother or your sister don get belle. They no go say make they work towards that belle before the baby go come down. They go buy things down, or make they gather money down in case of hospital bill, because they know fully well say Nigeria, they no dey do anything without deposit money, or without, even if you want discharge your children, your pikin for there, you need to pay so amount. You get the point. But then they no go wan do am, which is very bad. Then go leave am, they go wait, that day go don reach, they go come say, oh, na so my wife dey hospital oh, na so my wife born oh, we no see money take discharge am oh, na so my wife get belle oh, na so this one that one oh, na so my wife no get baby things. Like, meanwhile, you wey dey abroad here, you go give, if you get belle, for the moment you get belle, you don dey think of how you go buy things, how you go take do this one, how you go take do that one. But their own no dey like that. You now don see the case right now. Assume me say this man gathered some money, e hold, right? This case for no dey like this wey we dey talk about so. And another thing, if you know say you never ready to born, like you never ready, no even give woman belle, I use God beg you. Or maybe now, as you dey now, you don get one or two, and you know say the situation where you dey, e dey very difficult for you to bring another pikin come this world. Make una dey rest, because now don too much of a truth. Make una rest. At the end of the day, una go don bring the children now, una go don give the woman belle now, problem go full everywhere. Una go come dey task who no near una, who no dey there wey una dey do am. At the end of the day, they no give you. Na that time na come say that time the person na bad person to una. It's bad. I pray may Ajet also rest in perfect peace. You see life, everybody, you dey think, you go think of something. If something you get belle, think of the next thing to do. No be now go put una hand for this thing like this, cover una hand, sit down, look, 9 months go complete, now una don dey say na hospital, this hospital, this hospital, that. Even if somebody wey no get money no need to go private hospital. Even this abroad, private hospital dey. If you go there, you go pay. Now, even government this very place wey as we get, dem get general hospital here, which is government hospital. As dem get here, na so dem get private too. And like private now, you wan go do test for there, just test wey you go do for general hospital say e go be free. Dem go do am for there, you go pay big money. You see am, the same thing dey everywhere. So you now when you no get the money, you go kukuma go the general hospital, you go born. You go go house. Na im be the thing. Una no go get money, una go dey carry una wife dey go private hospital. How you wan take pay? How? Okay, dem charge you 500k now, you no see am. You see? Anyway, dat one na the news, but may Ajato so rest in perfect peace o. Make una see una wey dey back home, make una dey get sense. If you no get money, no born. In fact, no born. Because children dem need money, no be joke. When you go don born dem finish, you gat to dey spend. Dem need am. So if na one pikin your money go reach you, born, take care of, born, rest. If na two, rest. Make una no dey born, una dey born beyond una how I go take put am? Una finance abi how dem dey call am? I no know, I no care. Una money wey una dey get, una dey born pass, which is very bad. You know say this money wey you dey receive na for one pikin go fit take care of o, but una go dey born 3 children, born 4 children. How you go take care of them? At the end of the day, una dey see for help everywhere. Una no come see help, una go say na so dat my brother wicked o, na so dat my sister wey you no wan help me. Who send you message? Even dat your sister wey you dey task or your brother wey you dey task, he decided to born one pikin. No be say e dey stupid, e get sense, e know wetin she dey do or he dey do wey make am no born join the pikin. But una no dey think dat one for Nigeria. Make una calm down o. Anyway, thank you all so much for being here. Don't forget to like and share this video. I go see you guys in our next update. Stay blessed, God, and bye.